I come and play?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm looking at this little dinosaur
Oh,
dude.
so cute. So cute. Oh.
Little dude.
Oh. Can you feel something?
Yeah, but I'm sure it's nothing.
Feels like a...
Rumble.
Feels like an earthquake.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Oh my god. Ah! Oh, this is like the space one. Where have we ended up now?
It looks like we're back in time.
Oh my god. We're in the Jurassic period. It must mean it's time for a new box.
Yes.
Hi, science fans.
Hi, science fan.
We have got a brand new box for you.
Yes.
It's Deadly Dino Experiment.
And it seems like we've travelled back in time and... Oh! Hello! He's live!
Yay! So, we got a new one. Deadly Dino Experiments by...
Galt.
Once again. So, we're going to get unboxing.
Yes.
Want to have a go?
Mm-hmm.
Go on then, tip it out.
Let's tip it out. Tip it out. Oh.
Okay, I'll put that to one side.
Right, the first thing that's catching me by eye is this dude. This little dinosaur dude.
Right.
Who's he?
I don't... Who he?
Who he? Who he?
I don't know, but let's put him down. So he looks cool though. So let's
Yeah.
pop him there.
We also have an instructions booklet.
Yeah, that's always a good one.
We have a mixing stick.
Mixing sticks. Yeah.
We have some really tiny goggles.
They're upside down, you
Oh.
banana.
Going to put them on top of here.
Okay.
We have some gravel?
Gravel
No,
or sand. Okay. Sand.
We have whatever this is.
That looks like bones.
Yeah. We have... Oh no, more molds!
Oh, we're hopeless with moulds. That looks like dinosaur feet or something.
Yeah.
Okay.
We also have another mold.
That looks like a volcano.
Yeah. Actually, it might be.
Okay.
So we have some dinosaur insides.
Oh, they're quite cool. Okay.
Just scatter them.
Well, let's put them here.
Scatter.
Let's pop them on top of each other.
Okay.
There we go.
We also have more clay.
Oh!
Remember from the first box we ever did?
Oh
the
yeah,
clay
we were
and the
hopeless with that.
bug
But never mind,
mold.
maybe we'll be better this time.
We
You've
also,
got that.
Yeah, got this. Oh wait, I think
Maybe
we put
that
the
goes with
volcano
that,
in
yeah.
here. We have cornflour.
Huh? Okay.
Warning: do not eat. May contain gluten.
Mm.
Okay.
We've got a bag of stuff there.
Yes.
What do you think that is?
Should we tip it out?
Well, and I think that we'll leave it in there because there's lots of
Yeah.
little bits. So let's leave it there for the minute.
We have a fossil excavation stone. And that's it.
And do we have... Oh, we did have an instruction book. Right, let's see what it says.
Yes.
So, it says... What's in the kit? Dig out dino excavation stone.
Yes.
Excavation tools.
Maybe those are the two.
Could be, or they might be in the box.
Yes.
Play goggles.
Yes.
An ornithopter kit. I think that's that.
Okay.
T-Rex skeleton pieces.
Oh, okay.
Triceratops skull card sheets.
Okay.
Air drying clay.
Yes. And they're big poofy bags.
Footprint mould.
Mold.
Amber slime dinosaur egg. Cornflour. Sand.
Flour.
Mixing
Sand,
stick.
Mixing stick.
Quicksand tray and quicksand card sheet. And it says what you'll need to find. Newspaper, mixing bowl, measuring jug, water, vegetable oil, kitchen towel, sticky tape, scissors, damp cloth, and an adult assistant.
Well, we have most of it.
We have all of those things. So there we go. So that's all the stuff you need for this kit. And it says, welcome to the Deadly Dino Experiments Kit. Dinosaurs were horribly hungry, ruthless reptiles that inhabited Earth for over 150 million years before becoming extinct 66 million years ago. Even your oldest teacher isn't that old. So how do we know so much about these prehistoric animals? Scientists called paleontologists travel the world searching for fossils to study to find out what sort of things roamed the Earth before we came along. It doesn't take much to be a paleontologist, just a hammer, a lot of patience and a little luck. Oh, and a good understanding of geology, zoology, chemistry, molecular biology, fluid mechanics, structural engineering, and so on. In this kit, you'll find everything you need to experiment like a paleontologist, learn what fossils are and how they are formed, dig for bones like a true dinosaur hunter, and build a terrifying pterosaur that soars through the sky. And to help you, here's the expert dino digging duo to show you some of the foul facts and scientific secrets in their lab notebooks. If you're a horrible science fan, you may have met them before, but you won't have seen their personal files. So we've got Doug Deeper.
Dug deeper.
He's a paleontologist, a fossil expert with a passion for prehistoric discoveries. He hates not being able to bring dinosaurs back to life, and he loves being up to his elbows in muck. And then you've got Will the Beast.
Will the Beast.
He's a TV presenter. He knows everything there is to know about wildlife. He hates when people squish ugly bugs in their homes instead of welcoming them in. And he loves spending days tracking animal footprints in the wild. So there we go, science fans. So this looks like it's going to be an awful lot of fun. So we are going to work out what we need for the first experiment, and we'll see you next time. And we'll crack on with the first experiment. So bye for now. Bye.